So yeah, I'll explain a little bit why I took a break from YouTube. I cut my arm with a grinder really bad, and my knuckle and my hand and everything got skinned up pretty good. And I couldn't ride or nothing for a good month and a half. And yeah, I was just trying to be careful after that. It took a while to heal, and now it's winter time. Can't make dirt bike videos. It's probably 30 degrees out or colder right now. So I'll start doing a little bit of like vlogging, you know, working on the cars and stuff. We just painted my buddy's car last night. It turned out alright. And I'm gonna paint this G6 just for some content, if you guys like this video. Yeah, had to do some rocker panel work here. Welded on some tin and bonded it. Got a nice little welder. And then yeah, we got some exhaust issues going on here. There's a weld right here on the exhaust and it leaks. So I'm gonna take the exhaust off and weld it. And I gotta do all this so I can get the car inspected, the rocker panels and the exhaust. Alright, so we'll start pulling this baby off. Looks like the first thing we gotta do is take off these rusted bolts that are probably gonna break. So let's see how it goes. I remember welding this thing a couple years ago. Don't judge my welds, it's just a MIG welder. So I just recently bought this 1/2-inch impact gun, and this thing is a freaking beast, dude. I'd be willing to bet it'll break these before it doesn't take them off. Let's see what happens. Holy shit, it came right off. Damn, takes them off without a problem. Older, a couple of little impacts and they're off. The reason I'm taking that one off first is so when I get the backside off, it'll still be hanging by this. And fucker's heavy. There she goes. That is a pretty good sized exhaust. Shit, I got the freaking can on that one. Or the helmet not on. Alright, let's see what we got. How the hell am I gonna get out of here now? Oh! Alrighty. Fucking exhaust is bigger than me. Alright, so we've almost got it. It's just hanging on by that little mount right there. There it goes. There she is. That's nasty looking. So we'll grind that off and re-weld it. Alright, back at it. Little sister just got off the bus. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
There's the kitty cat over there. Right, Boovers? He's ready to attack. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Yeah, me and grinders actually have a bad history. I had a nice scar right there, or I have a nice scar, and then my knuckle. One time, I'll show you some pictures on YouTube. At work, I was cutting some sheet metal for the siding of our building, and a little strip. I was cutting the edge off a little strip, and it ended up falling, and it broke the wheel. Wrapped around the grinder and hit me like a ceiling fan. Good stuff. All right. Let's see how she fits. Alright, so we got the exhaust all ready to go. Got the joint all together right here. clamp right there. Don't look, Courtney. This welder actually works pretty good.
Can I look?
Yeah.
Kevin, I'm making a mess over here.
Why my trigger keeps slipping? Alright, turn this puppy around. Alright, so we got it all welded up, got it under the car. I'm gonna try to wrestle this thing onto the mounts. This may not be too easy.
Yep. So guys, I'm standing back here like my brother told me, just in case the car falls. I'll listen to my good brother.
Yep.
And there's the phone.
Alright. It's freezing.
Yeah.
In Northeast Pennsylvania.
Yeah. My arm's getting tired.
Your arm's getting tired.
Guys, do not be a mechanic. No matter what, this is hard.
Alright. Let's see how far we're off.
Devin, this car is gonna fall.
You think so?
Here. It's not standing up pretty good.
No?
Oh, it is.
Oh, my hands are frozen, dude.
My hands are freezing.
Alright, dudes. We got the car all ready to go. Let's get a cold start here and see what it sounds like. Nice and quiet. I fixed up the leak even better too. Alright. Let's see how she does. This thing for a 6-speed, you'd think it would be geared kind of low. It's geared like extremely long. Each gear goes like, I'm in 2nd gear right now. You can ride 2nd gear like all the way to 40, and that's not even revving it up. 3rd gear, going 50. 4th gear. 4th gear, dude, you barely ever use 5th and 6th gear. Right now I'm in 4th gear and I'm going 55. Speed limit is 40. Pretty sick. Car's got a little tiny bit of work it needs to be done yet. Needs, I don't know if it needs ball joints or tie rods. It doesn't pull, but it's got a little bit of a wobble, which could be the tires more from sitting for a while. Alright, I'll see you. Let's get this thing washed before the GoPro dies. Holy shit, it's cold, dude. first time I never actually finished the time. But shit. 2 minutes left, I'm already freezing my ass off. Whew! Oh man. Oh god damn. It's freezing, dude.